My name is Alex Nale. I want to thank Casey and Steve. I know Steve is not here for putting this together. And as Casey mentioned, many of us have about 84 things that we do. Casey has about 150 things that he does, and I would encourage you to connect with him, learn more about what he does. Very creative. He also, forgive me for mentioning this, I apologize in advance, but he also has a tight community, and he's a business coach. So if you guys have a business you want to scale to the next level, connect with Casey. He's helped me grow my business and educate me how important it is to have multiple streams of income. So thank you for creating that community. I appreciate it. So I'm a real estate investor here locally in California. I do fix and flips and buy and hold properties. Right now I'm mainly focusing on fix and flips just because I work with a burst strategy, but the refinance aspect of the burst strategy is not necessarily a perfect time right now with interest rates so high. And with appreciation the way it is in California, it really makes sense to just flip and go to the next project. One exciting thing that I want to share is we closed escrow yesterday on one of my flips. That I tied the buyer. We got it under contract before the project was done. So from purchase to closing of escrow in under 4 months. So I'm very excited about that and happy for the buyers as well. I'm a big advocate on helping those that have never invested or that are new to investing to get into real estate investing, because I know it's wealth building and it's life changing. So I like to educate people on how it's actually easier than some people perceive it to be. One of the ways is by not many people know that you can use retirement funds like your IRA or 401k and leverage that to invest into real estate, whether actively or passively. With that said, I'm raising money for some of the projects that I'm doing right now. So if you know anybody that has a small account or a retirement account that they don't know what to do with it,